Well guys, I hope you don't miss the Dodge too much, because we just got a Chevy. It's an 86 square body, single cab, 350. Supposedly it came from Montana, so this thing is pretty well rust free, and it's got some good looking patina on it, which we may keep around for a little bit. I've got some plans for this truck, but in the meantime, let's see what this truck will do with the 388 stroker motor that it has in it. Right now I've got my mechanic Ryan taking the exhaust off so we can hear it run open header in just a second. I'm gonna play a clip of it running with the exhaust on right now. And then we're taking this somewhere off to Mexico or somewhere like that to test out how many tires it can spin. Hopefully more than one. We'll see what she does. All right, we got one header that is completely broken right here, so it's gonna sound god awful. The guy I bought it from actually tried to fix it with this like header wrap tape, and it sounded good for about a day. So I tried to fix it myself with another header wrap tape type of deal, and like I said, it sounded good for about a day. And this thing basically needs new headers, but it's getting something better than that, so stay tuned. We got the guys working on the truck today. Front end is all unbolted.
Oh, it's done now.
Yeah. We're draining the fluid the right way, the fast way. I like that, Bailey. That's a good method. As long as it's out of the truck. The old 388 stroker's coming out in preparation for the 6-liter LS 4L80 combo, and we are going to build this thing, so make sure you stay tuned.
Don't put that back in, Bailey.
Yeah, keep it draining.
It's gonna take us forever.
Keep her going. We don't have all day. The 350 should be easy to pull. We're gonna leave the trans in this time because the last one was not fun.
Nathan.
What?
I don't mean to correct you, but you're really disgracing this built 388.
It is a 388. It only one wheel peels though, so does that mean we need a posi? That looks like some good fluid. We might have to reuse that.
Oh, I would.
Next video, you'll see the 388 coming out. Well guys, we are back to a complete mess in the garage. We've got the LS 6-liter that's ready to go in the square body. We've got the 350 out of it on the other side of this 6-liter LS that's supposed to go in the BMW sitting next to me. That's for a future project. But I'm gonna start with spraying the engine bay of the 86 square body to get it clean and ready to kind of disassemble a little bit further, but I want to clean everything from the oil and the grime and everything that's been caking on there for the last, what, 40 years? So we'll spray this thing with Purple Power, get the pressure washer out, have some fun with that, probably make a complete mess if I haven't already. Enough of that anyway, and then we'll be able to strip some of the wiring off and strip the firewall, get that ready for paint, make it look real nice in there. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get this thing cleaned up and ready to go for the LS engine. So we've got some cool stuff to do to this thing. That's where you find the rat's nest. It's coming out one way or another. Oh, we got her. Oh, that's never fun. Never fun. I hate pulling transmissions and transfer cases. It's on the ground the whole time. It's a complete nightmare. Man, do I need a lift. Well guys, the trans is out. The truck is literally in the air with the engine hoist. We do have a big jack stand under there just in case, but still super sketchy. So I'm gonna cut this video right here. I'm gonna get this back on the ground, and I guess we'll catch you in the next video when we paint the engine bay and then put the LS together, the 6-liter and the 4L80 to go in this thing. It should be really cool, so stay tuned. We've got all kinds of stuff to make this whole truck look brand new.